again. Welcome back to the Counterman Education Center. Scott is here with us again. And Scott, I had a question about an air pump the other day. What exactly do air pumps do?
Well, first let's clarify, right? When somebody comes in and it's an air pump, make sure they don't want to just inflate their tires.
Okay.
So I think what they're probably talking about is what they call an air pump or a smog pump. And the reason they're called that is because they're really part of the emissions system. They started way back in the 60s. And what they do is during the combustion process, especially back then when you had carburetors on cars, the combustion process was not 100% efficient. So a lot of hydrocarbons, unburnt gases, went out of the motor and into the exhaust system. Well, what manufacturers found out very quickly was if they ingested more air back into the exhaust manifold, it's already red hot and you've got unburned fuel. The only thing you were missing was air. So the minute you put the air in there, the hydrocarbons flash off, burn away, and then you're not putting them out the tailpipe. Most of them are driven off the front of the engine, probably with a belt-type drive. Now today on later cars, because we're computer controlled, because we have way less hydrocarbons in the exhaust manifold to begin with due to the efficiency of fuel injection, the air pump is not as needed as it was before. They are now electrical and they are computer controlled and only engaged when they're needed. So it's basically an emissions tool, but it's very important for the proper operation of the vehicle.
A little bit of history, a little bit of science. Thank you, Professor.
Certainly, young Padawan.
And with that, we'll see you next time on the Counterman Education Center.